Here I am going to explain how I wrote my academic essay for LEU 3502 final evaluation. The topic I got for my essay was foreign language teledramas should be promoted over local language television productions in Sri Lanka. Since the topic consisted the word should, which hints that the essay could be argumentative, I used the structure of argumentative essay on my writing. This is the thesis statement I used in writing my essay. Even though there are both advantages and disadvantages in promoting foreign language teledramas over local language television productions, it is beneficial in foreign language acquisition in terms of vocabulary learning, learning the practical usage of language, and acquiring cultural script. My thesis statement consists three controlling ideas which control my essay on the given topic. They are vocabulary learning, learning the practical usage of language, and acquiring cultural script. This is the process I followed in writing my essay. First, I brainstormed the information related to the topic. Second, I searched for relevant academic texts, read them, and jotted down relevant information. Next, the essay was drafted. Finally, the essay was read again and the editing was done. In-text citation and the reference list was prepared according to the APA 7th edition when relevant academic sources were integrated to the essay. Finding relevant academic texts was really challenging since there were very less academic texts relevant to the topic on Sri Lankan context. Therefore, I searched for alternative texts which discussed the same problem in other countries. Google Scholar and Google Advanced Search options helped me a lot in this process. Finally, I was lucky to have some academic texts which could be integrated into my essay. Thank you.